Today I'm gonna make the unbox. So I buy some stuffs from my new college in the next year. So Honor College, and I think so much study, and I don't want to keep going study with all the cute stuffs to start the year. So let's see what I don't know what is inside. So let's see together. I have it here and I will open and I come back to it. Okay guys, I will open the box. The box knows the package. And I will put on my side because I have my address and mark. So I have 3 steps here, this, and this inside. So let's start with this one. I already know what is it. So let's open. This is a bubble plastic. I like it. It's very good. Okay, let's see more. Let's see. I want to see. It's cute then. Look, it's the box. No, I think it's I know. This is the little eraser. I buy it on from Kitty Paw from Kit. So let's open together. I want to see where you open this. I don't know where I open. I will open more later. And this is on a sharp pencil. It's very cute. I like it. It's on a cake. It's a little cake. It's a beer and inside the cake. Very cute then. I like it too. This is the cute one. I buy it before. Why? I don't know. This is on stuff is where I put my pencils and more stuff is here in my setup. And this is a little squishy. This is cute. It's cute. It's so squishy. You can squeeze it. Have a smell. This one, little cat. I don't know why I buy it so much. This other. Wait on a minute. Okay, let's keep on going. We are on this one. It's very cute. And they have a merge too. Let's open this cat. It's a gray cat. It's so cute. And now the back side, and it is to put on my bag, and I forgot the name. Is the bag and to pencil bag. This it's the orange. It's the more cute. It's the orange. I like it more the orange. Are you gonna put it on this so I can see more? Now let's start with this one. I don't know what this does. Let's see. I got it. It's cute there. It's the mark test mark. I think the name, the Zodiac test mark. Have a glitter. Look. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, so much glitter. Huh? I'm gonna test it with poppers, and is a goldy pink. I like it. And have it this other is on a pen, heart pen. I think it's cute there. I'm gonna test it soon too. It's cute. I like it. So this and the others. I like it. This. Oh my gosh. Heavy glitter. I don't know if we can see in the video, but they have a glitter. Oh my. It's so cute. I like a postage. Here in Brazil we say postage, but I think in English countries is a stick note. Oh, it's so cute. Look, have so much glitter. I like it. I love it. But I don't know what this does yet. I think it's to save the glue from the back side. Yes. I don't remember exactly what I bought. This I look at to buy and I think, this is not gonna work. But look, so cute. It's very cute. It's cute. I like it. It's pink. I like it. And this is a correction tape. Let's see. I wanted only cute stuffs to my new college because it's give me more excited to study. Other side, I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let me take my scissors here from my school bag. More easy. What? I'm gonna open this. Okay. I don't want to scratch. It's cute. Oh my gosh. So little. Comes almost nothing. Corrective tape, like a normal, but more little. It's just because it's a cat. It's more expensive. And it is made with this. I want to open this. I did not open it, but I like it. My buyer. I like it. I hate the plastic. The world will burn in plastic. Jesus Cristo. Have you smell? No. It's cute. So cute. Let's see it's working good. I'm gonna test on the paper. Look, plastic and more plastic. Less dusty, no damage paper, huh? I don't believe on it. And this is the eraser on a calendar. Comes on a little calendar. I don't need a calendar, so it's okay. It's a color show. More higher. It's pink. I like it, the color. I like it pink. I like this too. Very good for study. Keep it playing with this video. Is watching the class. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. And see ya.